For the repair of the VIT control card by Wema Electronik, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 24-volt DC power supply and a LED indicator. By turning on the power supply, the unit reacts acordinally and we see that the LED lights up. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the VIT control card by Wema Electronik is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.